Hello, beautiful soulmates. So this is the taking action practice. It's taking action time. So recapping everything we talked about in aspects of the psyche, we talked about the inner child and the ego. So this is the inner child practice in the book, Your Cardinal Connections. So it's described in chapter 6. It's also the cover of the book. This is a symbol of two things. One, it's a human cell. So this is the nucleus and this is the cell wall, which is permeable to nutrients and water and just shoves away anything that is not aligned with its health, right? So it's the functioning of a happy, healthy cell in the body. It also represents the inner child's healthy boundaries. So the stone represents your inner child, and the bracelet around it represents the healthy boundaries in which you allow the good things in and you just allow the bad things out, right? So only good things in, and whatever's distorted is out of your system. It also prevents abuse, both from the outside so that the child is not abused, and from the inside out so that the child doesn't become a greedy child that sucks the parents dry, that expects everything from the world without ever becoming an adult. So it's a multifaceted practice that we're going to share now. It's in the book, but I'm also going to bring this to the context of our session, which is about aspects of the psyche. So what do? After you've done the Know Thyself exercises, and this is powerful, because if you do this practice without the context of aspects of the psyche, it isn't as deep as it is with the consciousness that you have, the awareness that you have right now after our session. So thinking about what we talked about and your Know Thyself exercises, get a bracelet, a stone bracelet. Don't get plastic, don't get resin, unless it's, something that also has crystals in it. Preferably natural stones always, okay? This is a bracelet made of natural stones, and this is a small tumbled crystal. This represents your inner child, and this represents the healthy boundaries, right? It's the Magic Garden Inner Child kit that I have here, but you can do this with any crystal bracelet and any tumbled stone that you have at home. So now I'm going to show you how the practice works, and it's really simple and effective. First thing you're going to do is you're going to get a phone and put your timer for 10 minutes. Don't do this for half an hour, 20 minutes, or 4 minutes. It's 10 minutes. So what you're going to do is you're going to lie down. You're going to get the bracelet, place it either on your stomach or on your heart. It's intuitive. I'm not going to tell you which place to put the bracelet because you're going to feel exactly where it needs to go. One day it may be the stomach, another day it may be the heart. So intuitively just feel it. And I'm going to place this in my stomach, over my stomach, and the little tumbled crystal will be in the middle, right in the center of the bracelet. And your phone is going to be on the timer for 10 minutes, and you're just going to lay down and rest until the timer rings. When the timer rings, you will get the tumbled stone and get the little bracelet, and you're gonna place it on a bed of dry sea salt. It's not salt water, it's just dry sea salt for 10 minutes to an hour so that it discharges. And throughout the practice, in the 10 minutes, you may have insights, memories, a lot of things may surface, and you can write them down. I always recommend writing them down on your journal so that you see how your psyche will heal and evolve as you go through this. You can do this once a day if you want to, and it's powerful, beautiful, and the results are amazing. So I hope it brings all the wonderful things it has brought to me and to so many people who have tested this and done this in their lives. It really is beautiful and powerful and very effective. So have a great time with this, and I will see you soon.